Hello, my name is Guido van der Graaf from Value Through Passion, and in this video I like to show you how you can create opportunities from a SWOT analysis with the help of AI and trustworthy online sources. In my example, I'm going to use the CBI.eu market information documents because I really like them. And what I really like about this is that you can select your niche. If you watched our video about strengths, you know that we are doing the example based on the company from Kathmandu, Nepal, Nature Trail, which is an adventure company. So if I go here to cbi.eu market information / tourism and I scroll a bit down, I have here this infographic wheel. And if I go to that infographic wheel, I can choose, so let me go back to the overview. I can choose main sectors that my tour operator company is working in. What is my niche? So I go here for adventure because it's an adventure travel, and then I select hiking because most of the experiences were trekking related. So it's a bit tedious sometimes to search, but here I have the walking. And when you click on walking, hello walking, here we have the walking. Then we have some information about this niche, and I can go to a study. And then you always find two studies. There's a market potential. How big is this market in Europe? And there's a market entry. Both of these documents we can use for opportunities. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy that link, add it in Chat GPT, and let's also add the market information. So we copy this link also. Okay, so can you, as a tourism, so that's the role we're going to give to ChatGPT, because if you give a role, ChatGPT knows already roughly in what kind of direction to think. So as a tourism trend watcher, can you help me to identify opportunities for my SWOT of my tour operator company, Nature Trails? Please use your own expertise in combination with these two pages. Please analyze them before analyze them. Yeah, that should be enough. Report the opportunities. Okay, take the 5 biggest opportunities. So know that if you are working with ChatGPT, you can put your whole company profile, etc., already in ChatGPT. So if you might have done that in your settings, well, it knows much more about your company, and if you know the 5 biggest opportunities for your company, it might actually look at the full context of your company. You could also upload a whole strategy to give ChatGPT more context. So take the 5 biggest opportunities and present them in bullet points. So it's easy for me. and I can quickly add them into my SWOT. Bullet points, here we go. And that should be it. So we know from other videos that it's always a bit of a hassle if Chat GPT is going to check this online. But let's see what's it going. Searching the web, so it's doing that. That's really great. Searched one site. So we actually asked for 2 sites, but okay, we forgive that. And then it's reversed to more. So there's a growing interest in walking holidays, cultural immersion, traveler seeks authentic cultural experiences, sustainability, appeal across all abilities. Okay, so different kind of people and low investment requirements. Okay, do you have any other sources? And can you compare them and fine tune these opportunities? It can also be opportunities for the travel market in Nepal. So now it searched for sites, so it went online and actually searched. So now it searches a general opportunity. So this is wellness, right? And experience tourism. So that's nice. So rising demand for sustainability and eco-friendly, customization and personalization of experiences, digital integration, and targeting niche markets. Thank you. Great. Please compile both in one list with the 5 most important opportunities for me. And you know if this is good, right? It just gives you some start to think about, right? You're not going to do your whole SWOT just based by an AI system, but it just helps you thinking in the right direction. So that it's much easier to talk with your team about trends and opportunities. All right. Okay. So here are opportunities, 5 opportunities that are put in here that we could use into our SWOT. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comments.